Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're walking you through how to subscribe, how to get WhatsApp Plus free trial. So we're gonna be walking you through the step-by-step process. So all you just have to do is to click on the three dots on the top right. So on this right here, on this top right here. So once you click on that, once you click on that, then you see settings. So click on settings, then it will take you straight onto this page right here where you see, and then you see subscription. So click on the subscriptions, then the page is going to load. Then you see subscriptions, then you see find and manage your subscription all in one place. So then you see WhatsApp Plus, see upgrade your messaging experience. So click on that. Then the page will load just like this. So you can see try WhatsApp Plus free for 1 month. Upgrade your messaging experience for just 1,199 per month. Price may include taxes. So these are the benefits that you're going to be getting. Send exclusive stickers. Choose a custom app icon, choose your app theme, get exclusive ringtones, upgrade your chat list, pinned extra chats, right? So each features you're gonna see that. So these are the stickers and all that. You can see, so you can see down below right here, you see start free trial, right? So you want to click on start your free month, which is 1 month. So and I want to take note of that if you try this 1 month, you have to cancel because your card will be linked to your Google App Store or Google Play Store, so or Apple Store. So if you don't cancel and it's 1 month, they are going to deduct the money automatically. So do make sure you remember to cancel it. So I'm going to click on start your free trial. Then you see a pop-up that will ask for my payment. So you can see right there, you can see 1 month free trial. Start today, starting July 19. I'm going to be paying 1,199. Cancel anytime in subscription on Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before July 19. So we'll send a reminder 7 days before your trial ends. That makes sense. So I'm going to click on subscribe. Then will be a verification. Then the subscription will succeed. So let's wait for it to load. All right, you can see subscribed. So you can see turn on backup payments. So I'm just not ready for that. Okay, turn on. Okay, so subscription successful. So I have just subscribed to the WhatsApp Plus free trial. So that is how you can also do it from your end. So you can say welcome to WhatsApp Plus. You are all set. Explore the exciting features included with your WhatsApp Plus subscription. Next, unlock premium stickers, customize your app, pick your app icon, pin more chats, because on a normal chats you can only pin just 3 chats, right? So you can see I'm currently subscribed. So that is how it works. So I'm gonna go back. So I'm gonna see if there's anything that changed on my WhatsApp home page. All right, basically nothing changed, but I think I can change some certain things all by myself if I want. So that's how you can get WhatsApp free trial for 1 month. And if you have any question, you can let us know through the comment section below. Thank you.